I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity so the work isn't interrupted. Once done, restart the device to clear transient faults. This often resolves caching locks. Make sure you reproduce the Play Store Try Again message so you can observe timing and any error details. While you're doing that, check for pending system or Play Store updates and jot them down. Knowing the exact conditions helps choose the right next repair step and avoids repeating steps unnecessarily. You will now clear the app layers that most often cause the message. First, force stop the Play Store, then clear cache and clear storage so cache tokens and corrupted state are removed. Next, repeat the same for Google Play Services and Google Services Framework because they mediate downloads and auth. If the problem continues, remove your Google account from settings and re-add it to refresh account tokens and sync. This step often fixes authorization or token mismatches that show the Try Again prompt. Finish by confirming date and time are automatic. Wrong time breaks SSL and causes Play Store failures. Reset network settings to clear DNS or proxy issues, then update system apps and Play Store if available. If needed, sideload an APK as a temporary workaround, but only from a trusted source. If none of this works, try signing in with another Google account to isolate account issues. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. This troubleshooting tip narrows whether the fault is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.